You can kill the lights, you can draw the blinds. My heart shackled down, bound to your bed. Can you stay a while, keep me by your side? Fill my scattered heart, fix me eyes.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is debbyoje. I'd like for you to take a quick moment and go down below and hit the red subscribe button if you're new here, and if you're old, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a really interesting one because I've never done this before and I'm really stepping out of my comfort zone with this video. I'm going to be doing I tried following a makeup influencer's makeup tutorial. So basically, this video was started by another YouTube influencer. I believe his name is Thomas Halbert, and there was another girl, I think her name was Tana, I don't remember, but I'll link their channels in the description box down below. They were the first people I saw doing this type of video, and I just thought it would be interesting to kind of pick up on another makeup influencer's video and kind of see if I could follow the steps that they basically show in their tutorials, how I'm able to recreate their looks by following their makeup tutorial. And today we're going to be doing somebody that I really love, somebody that immediately she started on YouTube, like I was so pumped, and I just really connected with her because she was just another simple person who decided to start a YouTube channel, and everything did work out perfectly for her, and I absolutely love that. Congratulations to her because she just recently hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I'm so happy that she was able to do that because I absolutely love her videos. I love her techniques, and I've picked up one or two things from her along the line as well. And yeah, without further ado, the person we are going to be following their makeup tutorial today is none other than Youkeyy. Yeah, I'm just going to be picking one of her tutorials to follow today, and that's why I'm coming to you guys barefaced. I'm so sorry, forgive all my blemishes, forgive all my acne. I think I've already spoken a lot right now, so without further ado, let's jump into the video. Don't forget to subscribe, also like this video, give it a huge thumbs up already, and also share with all your friends and enemies. And don't forget to grab some popcorn and a drink because this video might be long. And yeah guys, I will see you guys in the actual video. So guys, I'm literally about to start now, and I'm going to just pull up the screen here so you guys can see what I'm looking at. I'm so scared. I don't even know. I haven't decided what look I want to do, but we're going to basically do it together. So we're gonna go to YouTube. I'm gonna go to my feed and we're gonna type in Youkeyy. She does really amazing eyeshadow tutorials as well. So yeah, I'm going to be doing your new favorite fall makeup look tutorial, and this video is 14 minutes long and it has 16,000 views, and she uploaded this 3 months ago. I'm going to just skip her intro because there's no point. Okay, so she's basically using the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. I don't have that primer. I don't have some stuff that she's going to be using in this video, but I'm going to be improvising with things I think is really similar to what she's using. So I'm going to be using the YSL Touche Cloud Blurring Primer because it's a smoothing primer as well, and it just blurs your pores and stuff. It looks like she's just applying this to the areas where her pores are prominent. So I'm going to do the same thing. And if you guys know me, you know this is way out of my comfort zone because I never apply primer first. Like, I'm a brows first kind of girl. So this is so weird and strange for me. This is going to be such a challenge, guys. I've never actually tried to follow another makeup influencer's tutorial. Like, even when I was learning how to do makeup and stuff, I never actually used to copy like step by step what other influencers used to do. I usually just watch tutorials and just kind of wing it when I try to practice the look, but I never actually followed the tutorial, so this is new for me. Okay, it looks like she's color correcting with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I actually have that, so that's good. The orange corrector, and she's just applying that to where she has blemishes, which is exactly what I'm going to do as well. Guys, I cannot remember the last time I used color corrector. Like, I've fallen so in love with my blemishes that like I don't even bother with color corrector. Like, I don't know what it is, but I just feel like I don't need it. I'm just blending all that color corrector out. She applied some underneath her eyes as well. So Youkeyy, what's next? So she's literally just going in with the Anastasia brow pomade, but I don't have that, so I'm going to be using my random eyeliner gel. And if you know me, you know that I always go in with an eyebrow pencil to outline my brows before I use a pomade, but she's just using a pomade, which is weird for me. So let's see how this is gonna work out. I hope my eyebrows don't turn out as a disaster. You guys, do you know the craziest part of this video is that I do my eyeshadow before I put on anything on my face. So it's mad that she's already put on primer and color corrector, because I don't know if she's trying to put on foundation first, and I don't do that because I absolutely hate fallout on my foundation. Alright, so I'm done with my brows now, and it looks like she set her brows with some clear mascara, but I don't have that, so I'm going to skip that step. Alright, so she's going in with foundation now, guys. Yo, I have never ever been an advocate for foundation before eyeshadow, so this is mad for me. And she doesn't apply her foundation with a beauty sponge, she actually applies it with a brush all the time. So that's also mad for me, because I feel like brushes share down the coverage of your foundation just a little teensy bit. She did say that she doesn't think 420 was her shade, and I'm using 450, and I don't think 450 is my shade as well. I don't mind though, because I do like foundations that run a bit red. So basically now she's applying the Elegant Pro Concealer to prime her eyes. And I need to be very, very careful because I'm already getting some fallout on my skin. Okay, so for eyeshadows, I don't have a lot of the eyeshadows she's using, so I'm going to be improvising. So I'm going into the eyes now, and she actually went ahead to apply some tape to her eye so she gets a clean cut. I've actually already done this eye, guys. First thing she did was to go in with a reddish orange shade from Morphe. I don't have that eyeshadow, so I'm going to be using this Sokoto color from Juvia's Place palette. And then she went in with the color Chickadee from Makeup Geek. I actually have that exact eyeshadow, so I'm going to be using it. And she actually said that she should have gone in with this first, but I'm following the exact order she went in. So, and I'm just going to blend it on top of that orangey shade we put first. And you guys should also bear in mind that she's a lot lighter in complexion than I am, so the colors will show up darker on me than they will show up on her. Next, she went in with a reddish eyeshadow from Silver Beauty, but I don't have that eyeshadow, so I'm going to be using the Man Eater color from the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. You guys, this is so hard for me to do because I'm trying so hard not to get fallout on my foundation. I don't know how she does this, but she needs to come and teach me, honestly. So after that, she went in with a more purple cranberry shade, and I'm going to be using Zobo from the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and she's just applying that to the outer and midsection of her eye. She wanted the outer corner of her eye to be darker, so she went in with a rich eggplant color from Makeup Geek called Taboo. I don't have that as well. I'm going to be using a shade from my Morphe 35W palette. I'm going to be using this rich eggplant color here. She then went in with a clean blending brush and blended it all out. After that, she's going in with a very rich cranberry shade from Silver Beauty that I don't have as well, but I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this shade Fling. So she didn't want to cut her crease, so she sprayed her brush with some Fix Plus and is going into the shade. And so we are done with the eyes. She went in with the NYC liquid liner. I don't have that, so I'm going to use a regular liquid liner. And she did not do a wing. You guys know I always do a wing, so this is also weird for me. So I'm done lining my eyes, and then next thing she did was go in with lashes. So after she got done applying her lashes, she went in with this suede matchstick from Fenty Beauty, and I actually have the exact same matchstick, so I'm going to be using it as well. She's also contouring with the same Fenty Beauty matchsticks but in shade Espresso. So now she's going ahead to set her highlight, and she's using her RCMA No Color Powder. I don't have that, as you guys know. So I'm going to be using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder as usual. So yeah, she's just using a cosmetic wedge for this. I don't have one, so I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty sponge. And I did not wet it because obviously she did not wet her cosmetic wedge. So I'm just going. And she also used the powder to lightly set other areas of her face. Okay, so she's going back into the eyes now. Taking that reddish shade we used and she's putting that underneath her lower lash line. Honestly, I have no words for how this makeup look is coming out. Let's finish. Now she's taking the darkest color, the eggplant color we used earlier, and she's connecting it from the outer portion of the lower lash line upwards. So she applied the Stila liquid metal something something on her inner tear duct. I don't have that, but I have the NYX Lid Lingerie in the shade Sweet Cloud, and I think it's quite similar to that shade. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. And then she took the matchsticks in Cinnamon, which I also have. So she applied it to the brow bone. She's also highlighting with Cinnamon. So I applied foundation to my lips like she did. And then she applied cinnamon on her lips. Applying cinnamon to my lips makes me look like an ash bomb without any lip liner or anything. I believe I could rock this look if it had a lip liner, but without any lip liner or anything, I look like a ball of ash. Let's carry on and see how things go. Yeah, she doesn't like it with this eye look. I don't like it with this eye look as well. I don't even think I would like it with any eye look, honestly. She applied that to her cheeks as well and blended just like I just did. She also went in with a liquid lipstick. I don't have the one she used, but I'm going to be using LAX by Colourpop. So she went in with another highlighter on top of cinnamon for her cheeks. So I'm going to go in with the Kiko Wet n Dry eyeshadow for my cheeks as well. Finally, she went ahead and set her face with some Fix Plus. So guys, this is the finished look. I followed a Youkeyy makeup tutorial and this is how my look came out. Let me know if you guys like it. Let me know if you want me to follow another influencer's makeup tutorial. And if you have any suggestions of influencers you want me to follow, drop them in the comment section and I'll definitely get to doing them. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Also check out Youkey's channel. I'm going to leave her link in the description box down below as well. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.